Yo, how's it going, guys? I hope all of you are doing super great today. Welcome to iOS 12.1.4. If you're excited for this update, as always, drop a like down below, and of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Apple news, because this update has a very interesting story. While Apple doesn't go into depth here talking about what changed, there was a major flaw with FaceTime that was discovered last week that has been corrected. Basically, if somebody Group FaceTimed you, they could hear what you were saying on your end before you picked up, before you may have even known that you were getting a FaceTime call. Now, luckily, Apple patched this server side pretty quickly, like within a couple of hours of the bug being discovered. But I tried it, it worked. Tons of other people tried it, it also worked, and nobody actually knows how long this bug was present inside of iOS. Like, the scary part is that someone could have been eavesdropping on you weeks ago without you even knowing. So it was a pretty big deal. I think some class action lawsuit has been born out of it, and now it is back in iOS 12.1.4. But to make sure that Apple doesn't get in any legal trouble, and of course to protect all users, Group FaceTime will be permanently disabled on any software other than iOS 12.1.4. So pretty crazy there that it's just gone unless you update, but that is definitely the focus of the update here, and definitely why you should be updating to this, so that you can Group FaceTime again comfortably without having to worry about somebody eavesdropping on you. It's still totally crazy that actually happened. I think it was on National Privacy Day too that it got discovered. Over in Safari, Apple has posted the official changelog, as I like to call it, the official security content changes. Of course, the big one here is for FaceTime. Apple says the initiator of a Group FaceTime call may be able to cause the recipient to answer, which is what the bug technically did. It made you pick up before you wanted to. So that was a huge bug. You can actually see that the kid who discovered it was credited right there, Grant Thompson of Catalina Foothills High School, Davin Morris of Arlington, Texas. So those two people got credited with the bug's discovery, so snaps to them for finding this. I'm not sure if Foundation or the iOKit one are tied to FaceTime, but Apple does say that after a thorough security audit of FaceTime service, we uncovered an issue with live photos. So that's been addressed with improved validation on the FaceTime server. So FaceTime, hopefully more secure, more encrypted than ever before, and really hoping that nothing like this ever happens again, because it was a huge deal and it could have definitely had a pretty big impact on you. Now, while iOS 12.1.4 just provides some small but important security updates, the much bigger changes are coming in iOS 12.2. That's currently in beta testing with developers, and if you're on that beta, to get the official FaceTime group fix on your device, you'll have to downgrade to iOS 12.1.4, which is kind of strange. But if you're on 12.2 or looking forward to what's coming in the future, new animojis are on the way, which is super cool. They added giraffe, they added a boar or hog of some sort, so that is super cool. They also have some other minor UI changes. They're making the Apple TV remote interface better. So if you want to see what's new in that, I'll leave it linked up in the top right hand corner of the screen. But overall, iOS is doing well again. Definitely had a big rough patch last week, but go ahead and update and you should be good to go. That's all I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed watching, or if you learned something new, drop a like down below. It always helps me out. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on anything else. I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.